You're writing in Sheets and you want to get a word count. Let's do that. Let's go up to Extensions, AppScript. First thing we're going to do is create an onOpen function. What this does is it creates a little custom menu that we can use to click and use a function instead of having to come in here all the time. So variable UI equals spreadsheet app.get and UI.create menu. We're going to call this word count. That's going to be the little text up next to the help menu. We're going to add item, get word count. That's what the user sees, and then we're going to call it word count. We're going to call this of active sheet or current sheet actually. And then we're going to add one more item. Let's get the whole file word count. And we're going to name this get word count file. So we're going to create two functions here. Function word count. It's just going to get the active sheet. So we need variable sheet equals spreadsheet app.get active sheet. And we're going to get all of the values in that sheet. So sheet dot get data range, get values. That's everything in there. And all of the text is going to be variable text equals values.flatten that, flat.join, and join it with a space. And then our count is going to be equals text.trim, trim any spaces out of there, split length, so that's //s plus /. Let's give it a little UI, spreadsheet app.get. And for that we need, why we need that UI is UI.alert, word count, :+ let's Command S this and save it. We can also add our function here, get word count file, but we're going to come and fix that later or write that later. Right now, let's go back to our sheet. Let's refresh. We did forget one thing, which is at the end of our onOpen.add to UI, because if we don't do this, it doesn't ever come up. So now close it, refresh it again. And now next to our help menu at the top, we have word count. So let's get a word count of the current sheet. We will have to authorize the first time we run it. Here, so word count 339. Let's see the word count of this page. And we can just go to each page and find the word count. 296, habits. And we see it's a different number each time. So let's see what the word count of the entire thing is. Let's go back to Extensions, AppScript. And we're going to go down to the bottom and write our function, get word count for the entire file. This one we need variable sheets equals spreadsheet app.get active. Spreadsheet get sheets. That's getting every single sheet in the entire file. We're going to create a variable called all text and keep it blank for now and do sheets for each. We're going to create a function sheet. Sheet is that variable in there that's going to iterate through all of them. And so we're going to get all the values by going to sheet dot get data range, get values. And we're going to take that all text and we're going to add to it. Plus equals means we're going to take whatever's there and add to it. Just string, keep on adding a string, values, .flat, .join, and join with a space in quotes. We're going to do plus and have a quote at the end. Make sure that spells function. And so for every single sheet, it's going to iterate through each sheet, get the data range, get the values, add to that all text. And so our count is going to be equals all text at the end, .trim for any errant spaces, split, add this S plus. And again, we want to put this UI.alert here and just take this count and show us the word count and just say of 5. Now we don't need to refresh it because this get word count file is already here. Word count, whole file word count. So let's run it. We have a UI not defined because we haven't put it here. Variable UI equals spreadsheet app.get UI. Let's save it again, dismiss, and let's try to get that word count again. 896, there you go. That should be pretty darn close to getting the word count of the entire document there. If you want this app script, I'll put a link to it down below. You're watching Better Sheets here on YouTube. Make sure you check out this video or this video and subscribe right now to get more tips, tricks, how-tos, get more out of your Google Sheets than you ever have before. I'm excited to be making a ton more videos here. Ask me questions down in the comments and I will answer them in future videos. But for right now, right here, one of these videos is going to be your next Google Sheet.